Hello everybody. So somebody posted this problem on Facebook, so I'm trying to solve it. So a clerk walks from his house at 4 km per hour. Let's say this is house and reaches his office 5 minutes late. Let's say this is the office. So the first scenario they have given is he walks at 4 km per hour. Let's say he was supposed to reach at 9 a.m. but he reached 5 minutes late at 9:05. Now in the second scenario they have given that if speed is 5 km per hour, he will reach his office 10 minutes early. Basically he will reach at 8:50. So let's say for the first scenario he takes time t1 and for the second scenario he takes time t2. T1 is basically, as we have given in the problem, that 10 minutes early or 5 minutes late, so the unit of t1 will be minutes. T1 minutes or T2 minutes, right? We can take it hour also, but then again the calculations will change. We are just taking it minute, and we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now for the what directly we can see the relationship between T1 and T2, right? So T1 minus T2. T1 is obviously more than T2 because the speed is less. When the speed is less, the time taken is more to cover the same distance. So T1 minus T2 will be, how much is the difference between the times? 9:05 and 8:50. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, right? This is first equation, first relationship between T1 and T2. Now let's say the total distance is D. Now if we use the first scenario, D will be, basically distance is speed into time taken. Distance is speed multiplied by time taken. And this is true only if the speed is constant, and we are given there he is moving with constant speed in both the scenarios, 4 km and 5 km per hour, right? This has to be constant, and which is true. So D will be equal to, for the first scenario, 4 km per hour multiplied by how much time he took. Let's say he takes t1 minutes. We have to take care of the units here. It's in minutes and the speed is in hours, right? So and in the second scenario, D is 5 km per hour into t2 minutes. We can always change hours into minutes. So and these two are both equal. So basically 4 km per 60 minutes divided by 60 minute into t1 is equal to 5 km divided by 60 minutes into t2 minutes. So 60 gets cancelled out. So T1, 4 T1 is equal to 5 T2, and T1 and T2 are in minutes, right? 4 T1 is equal to 5 T2. So now if we put this equation over here, like from here we can take the value of T1 to be 5 by 4 T2. So the first equation will become, let me solve it here. So if I put T1 equal to 5 by 4 T2 here, it will become 5 by 4 T2 minus T2 equal to 15. So which is basically T2 by 4 equal to 15. So T2 is 60. So 60 minutes, as we change the units here to minutes, right? R to minute, and so T2 is 60 minutes, and so T1 will be 5 by 4 of 60, which is equal to 75 5 minutes, right? T1, sorry, T1 is 5 by 4 of T2, so 75 minutes. So now using any of the two equations, we can find the distance from his home office to home. So D will be, if we take any of one, 4 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer per hour multiplied by time taken, it will be T1 in this T1 minutes. Basically we have to take care of that. So T1 minutes is 75 minutes, right? So if we change this R into 60 minutes, it will become, so minutes will get cancelled out. 15 4 15 5 4 4 gets cancelled. So basically 5 kilometer. So the answer is 5 kilometer. So thank you, it was an easy problem. So there are two scenarios they have given, and we have used both the scenarios to find out the distance. Thank you, keep watching.